All right, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today we are going to put a hole for the umbrella in a hubcap. There is a template that I uploaded. You can use that template, but I'm going to show you, if you don't want to download the template, how to do it. You either get a pencil. This one here is a grease pencil, so this is what we're going to be using today. And basically you just stick it right down through this hole. Basically right down in that hole. And we're just going to twist it right there, just like that. So once we move this, there should be a little hole, or not a hole, but a little spot. Basically right where we put it. So it's right there. Now, I always like double checking. So I'm going to take this little guy and I am going to put me, let's see, get a nice little pointed one here. You can use a nail as well, but I like double checking just to make sure it lines up right. So it should be somewhere right in there. Just make sure my line is lining up. Yep, it's right there. Exactly right where it's supposed to be. Right there. Okay, so I've got that. I've got me a bit right there. That's the one I like. And basically, we are just going to put that right there. And just push slightly. Don't need to push really hard. And now we got a little bunch of little metal flakes. Once we got it drilled one way, we come back the other way. And this will get rid of any spurs. We'll flip it around and spur it back the other way. And spur it back the other way. And I think that's good enough. That should be plenty big enough. There we go. And I just took my drill bit out. There we go. So that's the bit I use. Nice little mess going on there. It's okay. Take our bracket. Again, you can download the template. If you don't want to use the template, you don't have to. But that hole is exactly perfect. I used a grease pencil. And basically, there it goes. Right through there. You can use a chopstick. You can use a pencil. You can use whatever you want, as long as you can mark a spot right over here on our side. There we go. Perfect. Now, I've made a mess. Let's go with the 600. So we're going to pop out a 600 here. Oh, let's see. Nice big heavy monster. Let's take the battery off. Let's take the cover off, and let's take the bulb out. Alright, so now we have our 600. Basically, I want it on the somewhere on the opposite side. I don't want it on the same side. So basically, I'm just going to come over from this side as soon as I can find my holes. There we go. Voila. So basically, I'm going to come down here, and I can see exactly where it needs to be, is right there. I can also take my stick there and just go like this and rub it with my pencil, or my grease pencil, basically. And let's pop this guy off. Pull it out. Alright, so my spot is right there. Got my bit. I am going to put this baby right in there. Nice and slow. Don't need to go fast. Okay. Again, we went one side. Take the spurs off by going to the opposite side. That's why I like these bits. Go back to the other side. Back to the other side. Again, it takes the spurs right off. There we go. 100% perfect. So let's grab our light again, our 600. Line that baby up. Lock it in. Run our pencil straight down. Bam, bam, bam. And lock it in. Well, I don't have to lock it in, but we'll lock it onto a lead here. Let's see. Again, just to show that it's actually right straight through where it's supposed to be. Very simple, easy. Again, if you want to use a template, you can use a template. If you don't want to print the template out, you don't have to. Just take a pencil, chopstick, whatever, mark it on that side. Now this fits both perfectly. That was the 600. And where's the Pro S bracket? And if I want the Pro S bracket, perfectly fits the Pro S bracket. Right there, just like that. Bam. Again, they're both different. They're in different spots. They're not exactly in the same spot with the 600 as the Pro S bracket. And so, again, you can put them side by side, or you can have them opposite of each other. I'm going to put this one, since my other one is side by side, this one here is going to be opposite. It really doesn't make a difference that it's opposite or not opposite. It really doesn't. The hole's so small that it's not really going to affect any light. Again, if you want to, you can actually put a little piece of gaffer tape over the hole, little electric tape, a little bit, whatever you want. But again, it still doesn't affect it. But using this and the umbrella, again, you can choke up further with the hubcap on the umbrella, meaning that the umbrella shaft is a lot shorter distance, therefore changing the fulcrum point, and you're not causing, like with a 7-inch reflector or 5-inch reflector, it sticks out further, so then means you have to choke back further on the reflector shaft, or I mean on the umbrella shaft, where you don't have to with the hubcap. And that's the reason why the hubcap is awesome just by itself or with the umbrella. Again, this is putting the holes in the umbrella or in the hubcap. Thank you for watching.